record as well, so you can access the recording. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the revision class of lesson 1. We will start. Let me share my screen. We'll start with a quick exercise. And we'll use the dialogue, inshallah, the same dialogue which we saw during the recent quiz. Let me know when you can see my screen. Okay, we'll do an annotation exercise. What you will do first is pick where we have I am from India. In this dialogue, where do we see I am from India?
Fourth dialogue.
Try to use annotate, tick it on the screen wherever we see it on the screen. Correct. What do we say for from? What do we say for from? Rahmat, Hania or Ilaf? Or Nimra or Sidra? What do we say for from?
Min.
Min. Very nice. Min means from. Where do we see I am from China?
Sheen it will be the same. 1, 2, 3. Third dialogue.
Third dialogue. Very nice. So Minasin is from China. Minal Hind is from India. Now the trick is we don't always have the al. Some countries, for example, Asin, Al Hind have al. A lot of countries do not have al. For example, Egypt is Misr. There's no al. Turkey is Turkiya. There's no al. Syria is Surya. There's no al. Okay, so some countries have al. Some countries do not have al. Now, one more exercise. Let me close this. Over here in this dialogue, where do we see welcome? Why is someone saying welcome? Welcome to you. No, it is not there, Hania Nilaf. This is Hada Zamili Saeed. This is my colleague Saeed. He is Muhandis. Where is someone saying welcome? Welcome to the university. No. Anta Talibun Jadidun is, are you a new student? Naam Ana Talibun Jadidun is, I am a new student. That's what this sentence means. Where do we see welcome? Let me answer for you. Marhaban means welcome. When we say marhaban or ahlan, it means welcome. So this is the welcome here. In fact, if you go to a place like Turkey, the common greeting is say salam or marhaban. You go to a shop, they will tell you marhaba. That's the common greeting. Like how we say hello or we say namaste, that they say marhaba. So marhaba means really hello or welcome. So marhaban bikum means welcome to all of you. Assalamu alaikum is the same kum. Marhaban bikum is the same kum which is used over here. Let me clear the annotation. Last question. Let's see who gets this correct first. The next is, where do we see brother in this dialogue? Where do we see brother being written? What's the word for brother, Hania Nilaf?
Ibnatun.
Sorry, come again.
Ibnun.
No, Ibnun is son.
Oh.
Ibnun means son. Ibnatun means daughter. What's the word for brother?
Shakik. Shakik.
No. The word for brother is akh. Akh is what we say for brother. Akhi is my brother. This is where we see brother. Okay, let's go to the dialogue. We'll see some of these words being used, inshallah. Let me close the full screen and let me go back to the book. Okay, we will start. We saw till here. So we've seen Masmuka, what is your name to a boy? Masmuki, which is what is your name to a girl? We've seen Kaifa Haluka. What's the meaning of Kaifa Haluka?
How are you?
How are you to a boy? Kaifa Haluki is how are you to a girl. Ka, ki are the pronouns. Ka means you for masculine. Ki means you for feminine. Now we'll see the next dialogue. This is Al Hiwaru Thani. This is the second dialogue. So Thalith is 3. Ithnan or Ithnani is 2. Athani is second. So this is the second dialogue. This is a dialogue between Muhammad and Sharif. I'll read out the dialogue and then explain it. It's pretty easy. So these dialogues, because you've done lesson 2 and you've done the quiz, these dialogues will be easy, inshallah. Muhammad says, Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Min aina anta? Ana min Pakistan. Hal anta Pakistani? Naam, ana Pakistani. Wama jinsiyatuka anta? Ana Turkiyun. Ana min Turkiya. Ahlan wa sahlan. Easy dialogue. Who can tell me what is min aina anta?
From where are you?
from?
Where are you from? And what does min mean?
From.
Who?
Very correct. From. Ana min Pakistan means I am from Pakistan. Min means from. Let me make this smaller. So min is from. What is aina?
Where?
Where? Very nice. How do I say where are the spectacles? How do we say where are the spectacles? How do I say where is Nimra?
Ainal Nimra.
Ainal Nimra, correct. So Ainal or Aina Nimra, there won't be an al in front of Nimra. Aina Nimra would be where is Nimra? Aina Rahmat would be where is Rahmat? Where is the set of spectacles would be Aina Nadara, because it's a definite case. I'm asking where is the spectacle, one particular spectacle. Aina Nadara would be where is any spectacle. But when I say the specs, my specs, I will say Aina Nadara, where is that particular specs. Correct. Anta is you. Easy word. Ana min Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. Hal anta Pakistani. Notice this Pakistan and Pakistani. Pakistan is the country. It's to say that, look, I am from Pakistan, I am Pakistani. It's the same thing. Okay. So when you
Indian.
India is Al Hind.
No, like India and Indian, you have Pakistan and Pakistani.
Correct. So I would say I am from India. India is the country. But when I speak about myself, when I speak about my nationality, or when I speak something of me which is Indian, I would say I am Indian. You can say that this is made in India, or this is Indian. So India and Indian. India is a country. Indian is an adjective which refers to a person or a thing. So a thing can be Indian, a person can be Indian. That's the difference between India and Indian. Ana mean Pakistan. Pakistan is the country. Hal anta Pakistani. Pakistani is the adjective. So are you Pakistani? Naam. Naam means yes. Naam ana Pakistani. Ma jinsiyatuka anta. Jinsiyatu means nationality. Jinsiyatuka means your nationality. So ka refers to your. Ana ma jinsiyatuka anta. Ana Turkiyun. I am Turkish. Turkiyun is like Pakistaniyun. Hal anta Pakistaniyun? Ana Turkiyun. Ana means Turkiya. Turkiya is like Pakistan. Turkiya is the name of the country. Ahlan wa sahlan. Who remembers what is the meaning of ahlan? What is marhaban? Come again, your voice was breaking.
Welcome.
Welcome. Nice. Ahlan wa sahlan means welcome and may you be at ease. So be comfortable. That is sahlan. So welcome and be comfortable. That is ahlan wa sahlan. Dialogue 2, very, very easy. Since you know dialogue 1 and you know the pronouns, it's very easy. This is a dialogue between Maryam and Zainab. The dialogue goes like this. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Min aina anti. Ana min Misr. Hal anti Misriyatun? Naam. Ana Misriyatun. Ma jinsiyatuki anti. Ana Suriyatun. Ana min Suriya. Ahlan wa sahlan. Very easy dialogue. Since you know the first and you know how to convert masculine to feminine, this is very easy. Min aina anti. Anti is the first word of difference. Anta is you, masculine. This is the subject pronoun. Anta would become anti. Ana min Misr. This is the same. Hal anti Misriyatun. We have anti here. Misriyatun here. The adjective for masculine and feminine is different. We'll add the ta marbuta at the end, the closed ta at the end, to make masculine adjective to feminine adjective. In most cases, we add the ta marbuta. In fact, all of the examples we have seen so far, we have seen ana mudarrisun, ana mudarrisatun, ana talibun, I am a student, and we've seen ana talibatun, I am a female student. Ana tabibun, I am a male doctor. Ana tabibatun. So all of these words, the only difference is the ta marbuta. We have Misriyatun and Suriyatun. So you just add ta marbuta. We have Pakistaniyun, Turkiyun. Here it will be Turkiyatun. Here the girl is from Syria, so it will be Suriyatun. Had it been Turkey, it will be Turkiyatun. Pakistaniyun would have become Pakistaniyatun. The answer, Naam ana Pakistaniyatun. Again, the same ta marbuta ending, which makes it feminine. Wama jinsiyatuki anti. And what is your nationality? You tell me. Ma jinsiyatuki would have been sufficient. Ma jinsiyatuki would be, and what is your nationality? Who can tell me what's the meaning of ma? What is ma?
What? Yeah, what is your nationality?
What? Very nice. Ma is used when you're speaking to, generally when you're asking about a thing, when you're asking about something which is not related to a person, you'd ask ma. So what is this? Or what is this thing? What is your name? You'd use ma. How would you ask who? For example, who is the Syrian woman? What would you use for who?
Man.
Man, very nice. Ma is what? Man would mean who. Min is from. Nice. You've caught up on nice vocabulary, mashallah. Next line is Ana Suriyatun. Ana means Surya. I am a Syrian woman. I am from Syria. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome and be comfortable. Ahlan wa sahlan. Who will volunteer? 2 volunteers to read the dialogue. Let's do the first dialogue.
Nimra and Rahmat.
Rahmat, Nimra, Sidra, one of you read the blue dialogue, and Hania, I love one of you read the orange dialogue.
Assalamu alaikum.
Loudly.
Assalamu alaikum.
Hania, I love, are you able to hear the dialogue?
Walaikum assalam.
Okay, looks like Hania, I love have an issue with the connection. So let's try to do Nimra, Sidra, Rahmat. Between you, do both Muhammad and Sharif.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Min aina anta?
Ana min Pakistan.
Hal anta Pakistani?
Ana Pakistani wama jinsiyatuka anta.
An Turkiya. Ana min Turki.
Ana Turkiyun. Ana min Turkiya.
Ahlan wa sahlan.
Read this one again. Ana Turkiyun.
Ana Turkiyan.
Ana min Turkiya.
Ana min Turkiya.
Yes, the thing you need to pay attention. Very nice. The thing you need to pay attention to is here there's an alif. Okay, it is Turkiya. Here it is Turkiyun. Same way here it will be Pakistaniyun or Pakistani. You can skip the un because it's the end of the sentence. So you can say Hal anta Pakistaniyun or Ana Turkiyun or Ana Turki. When you're saying Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam, be clear on the pronunciation. So wa alaikum salam is conversational, but when you want to be perfect Arabic, you'd say wa alaikum assalam or wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum salam is skipping the al. Okay, so may upon you also be peace. So wa alaikum assalam. Awesome. Let's do this dialogue. Hania, I love, can you hear me? Is your connection better now?
Yes, Saqib bhaiya.
Okay, so now one of you three, Rahmat, Nimra, Sidra, so someone else read the blue dialogue. Hania, I love, you guys read the orange dialogue. Rahmat, Nimra, Sidra, one of you start with the blue one, with Maryam's dialogue.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Walaikum assalam.
Min aina anti? Ana min
Ana min Misr.
Saqib sir, we can't hear you. Ana min
Misr. Can you hear me now?
Yes, Saqib bhaiya.
Okay, Ana min Misr.
Ana min Miss.
Okay, next one. Hal anti Misriyatun.
Hal anti Misriyata?
Misriyatun.
Fal anta Suriyatun. Anta Suriyatun. Fal anta Suriyatun.
Naam.
Hello.
Ansiriyat. Wa ma jinsiyatuki anti?
this dialogue, Rahmat, Nimra, Sidra, the second last one.
An Sauriya. An min Sauriya.
Ana Suriyatun, Ana min Suriya.
Yeah.
Again?
Ahlan wa salam.
Saqib bhai, what do you mean by ahlan wa sahlan?
Ahlan means welcome.
Welcome.
Wasahlan means be at ease. So sahal means easy.
Comfortable.
Means comfortable, yeah. So it's means be easy, be comfortable. So ahlan wa sahlan means welcome and make yourself comfortable. Okay. Again, let's do this again. I think there was a little bit of break in the communication in between. Let's do between the three of you, Rahmat, Nimra, Sidra. Let's do this again. Okay, so two of you read out this dialogue again.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Min aina anti?
Ana min Misr.
Hal anti siriyat
Misriyatun.
misriyatun?
Naam ana Misriyatun wa ma jinsiyatuki anti.
An Sauriya. Sauriyatun. Ana min Sauriya.
Ahlan wa sahlan.
Ana Suriyatun, Ana min Surya. Very nice. Both of you read very nice, mashallah. Who was reading the dialogue? Was it Rahmat and Nimra?
Ji.
Okay, very nice. Well done. Now, question. If I ask a question to any of you, if I ask, Min aina anti, what would your answer be?
Ana min
Indian.
Indian is Sehran.
Look at this and try to answer.
See, this Indian is there.
Al-Hind.
Ana al-Hind.
Ana min al-Hind.
Correct. Ana minal hind. So we'll skip the al. We'll skip the alif. It will become Ana minal hind. Okay. Al Hind is India. It means like the Hindu land, for example. So minal hind is from al Hind, which is India. Okay. Ana minal hind. So they call India al Hind. They call China as-Sin. Ana minal hind will be I am from India. Next question. Ma jinsiyatuki anti. What is your nationality? How would you answer it?
Ana al-Hind.
Ana al-Hind would be I am India. So who is India here? How do you say I am Indian?
Ana
Al-Hind.
Hindin.
No. It will have an un ending. Notice. We have Misriyatun, Suriyatun. Here we have Pakistaniyun, Turkiyun.
Al-Hind.
Al-Hindiyun.
Al-Hindun.
Easy way to check if your answers are correct. How many of you have used Google Translate? Ana Hindiyun. Al-Hind is India. But when you speak about yourself, you would not put the al. You would say Ana Hindiyun, Ana Hindiyatun, Ana Siniyun. Ana Siniyatun. Okay? So the Al-Hind is only when you are referring to the country. Now you tell me, what would your answer be? Ma jinsiyatuki anti.
Ana Hindiyatun.
Correct. Ana Hindiyatun. So if I put she is Indian, it would become innaha, indeed she, or hiya Hindiyatun. Hindiyatun is Indian female. Let us now come back. Ma jinsiyatuka is what is your nationality? The answer will be I am Indian, I am Pakistani, I am Syrian, I am Turkish. That would be the answer for ma jinsiyatuka or ma jinsiyatuki. Ana is I, both for a boy and for a girl. We know this. Pakistan is Pakistan, neighboring country of India. Turkey is Turkey. Who can tell me what's the capital of Turkey?
Istanbul.
No, it is not.
Istanbul.
No. Istanbul.
Can you please repeat it again, Sakib? We couldn't hear.
What's the capital of Turkey?
Istanbul.
No, actually, this is a mistake I made in the previous class. Istanbul is the most prominent city. Okay, so it's the most international or the biggest city, the most say cultural city in Turkey. The capital of Turkey, but is Ankara. Ankara is another city, which is the capital of Turkey, the capital of Turkey. So the capital of Turkey is Ankara. Misr.
Yeah.
What is Misr? Which country is Misr?
Which country? Bhaiya?
Where do you have the Great Pyramids?
Egypt.
Egypt is Misr. So in Arabic, for Egypt, we say Misr. Okay. Syria is Syria. Everyone knows Syria. What's the capital of Syria?
Palestine.
No, Palestine is another country. Damascus.
Damascus.
Yeah, Dimashq in Arabic would be the capital of Syria. Awesome. Let's come back. So we have Pakistaniyun, Turkiyun, Misriyatun, Suriyatun. These are people, these are countries. Now, annotation exercise. Let's see who is first. You need to match the picture with the words. Okay, so we have pictures on top, words at the bottom. Let's see who annotates correctly and who annotates quickly. Nice, Rahmat. Next, do the other ones as well. Okay. Very nice. So the country is Turkey, Misr, Pakistan, Syria. The people are Misriyun, Turkiyun, Pakistaniyun, Syrian. Very nice. Let's see the next dialogue. Next dialogue. This is Al-Hiwaru Thalith. Notice Thalatha is 3. Al-Thalith is third. The third dialogue. This is a dialogue between Ahmad and Badr. Very, very easy dialogue. You know all of these words. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Hata akhi. Akhi means brother. This is my brother. Huwa mudarrisun. Ahlan wa sahlan. Hata sadiqi. Who can tell me what's the meaning of sadiqi? Sadiqi. What is the meaning?
Name.
Again, your voice is breaking.
Name.
Name? Come again?
Name of a person.
No. There's a ya at the end. The ya is a pronoun.
My friend.
My friend, correct. So Sadiq means friend. Akh means brother. So Ahmad says this is my brother, and my comes because of the pronoun ya. And Ahmad says hada sadiqi. This is my sadiq. This is my friend. Huwa muhandisun. Who can tell me what's muhandisun? Let me come back here. هذا
Engineer.
زميلي سعيد هو مهندس. Say مهندس which we saw yesterday. Someone tried to say the answer. What's the answer?
Engineer. Engineer.
Okay, so this is Saeed. He's an engineer. He's the one with the helmet. Correct. So huwa muhandisun. He is an engineer. Now notice muhandisun is he is an engineer. How do I say he is the engineer? He is the engineer whom I'm talking about. How do I make it? How do I make an engineer converted to the engineer?
Al-Muhandis.
Correct. Al-Muhandisu. So the sun will become su. I'll only put one pesh at the end. Okay, so Muhandisun is an engineer. Al-Muhandisu is the engineer. Mudarrisun is a teacher. How do I make it the teacher?
Al-Mudarrisun.
Al-Mudarris.
No.
Al-Mudarrisu.
Al-Mudarrisu. Very good. So, Mudarrisun. This means a teacher. To make it definite, I make it Al-Mudarrisu. Al-Mudarrisu. There's only one patient here. Al-Mudarrisu will be the engineer. Hada muhandisun. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ma'a salama. Ma'a salama means with salams. Ma'a means with. As-salama means the same salama. So ma'a salamati means may you be with salama. May you be with peace. This is usually said when you're leaving. So, for example, when we are closing the class, I would say ma'a salama. See you in the next class. Okay, so the same ma'a salama. Ma'a salama, ma'a salama. The feminine dialogue. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Hadihi ukhti. Ukht means sister. Akh means brother. Ukht means sister. Hadihi ukhti. Hiya tabibatun. Notice tabibatun, they have the ta marbuta ending. Tabibun would be male doctor. Tabibatun would be female doctor. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome and be comfortable. Hadihi sadiqati. Sadiqi becomes sadiqati. The sadiqatun. The ta marbuta would change to an open ta. Why? Because you have an ya after it. The ta marbuta only comes at the end. So sadiqatun would become sadiqati because of the ya. Hiya talibatun. She is a female student. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ma'a salama. Ma'a salama. This is the second dialogue. Very easy. Let's do exercises. Annotate in this match the following. Try to mark these answers.
Mudarris is a teacher. Talibun is a student.
Correct. Next.
This one is engineer. That side, cross. Then Sadiqun and Sadiqatun will be there. Boy is Sadiqun. Girl is Sadiqatun. And this will be Hazihi.
Correct. So Mudarris is male teacher. You've marked it correct. Talibatun is female student. That is the girl on the right. Muhandis is the engineer. Tabibatun is the doctor. Hada is this. Hada is used with masculine, is used with a boy or with a man. So this is Hada, this is Hatihi. Sadiq means, who can tell me what's the meaning of Sadiq and Sadiqa? What is Sadiq and Sadiqa?
Sadiq
Sadiq is male friend.
doctor and Sadiqa is female doctor.
No.
Friend,
is
friend.
the
It's
daughter.
not doctor.
Sadiqa is male friend. Sadiqi is Sadiq
Sadiq is
male. Sadiq is male. Sadiq he is female.
Correct. Sadiq is male. Sadiqa or Sadiqatun is female. Bita marbuta. Here we have female. Taliba. We have Tabiba. We have Hadihi. These are female. Okay. You know the new words now. Last annotation exercise. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Hada Sadiqi. Number one. Would it be Al Yamin or Al Yasar? Hada Sadiqi. Okay, Hani Ayla, you've marked a lot of answers. So which one is it? Is it right or left? Hada Sadiqi. No. Hada Sadiqi. So Hada is masculine.
Right one.
Is also masculine.
left
Hada
one.
is male. Hada is male. Mila.
Had Sadiq he is female. Sadiq is
Right, I
male.
think the meeting will end in a minute. So this is say the other account. So if the meeting ends, I'll send you another invite. Okay, so we'll join on Zoom with the other invite if the meeting ends. Okay, for now we continue. Hada Sadiqi.
Sadiq is boy. Sadiq he is girl. So it is left one.
No, Sadiqi is my friend. Sadiqatun is female. Sadiqi is my Sadiq, my friend. Okay, let me send you another Zoom invite, guys. I'll send you on WhatsApp and then we'll resume, inshallah. So we'll be back.
Okay.
What is the time?